So hello and welcome everyone to the session how to prepare for quant at the rate of CAT 21. Those who are preparing for CAT 21, I'm going to give you a plan for how to prepare for quant, and especially those who fear this subject called quantitative aptitude. This video is going to help you understand what exactly quant is and how you can really score good in this particular examination called quant. And please do write in the comment box what is your level, right, in quant, and the topic that you fear the most and the topic that you find, relatively easier, right? So guys, first of all, let us see, what I'm going to cover in this video. First, I'm going to talk about the nature of cat questions, which comes in cat in quant, right? Second, what are the basic topics that we need to cover, in your quantitative aptitude, and then what can be an approach for high level questions, arithmetic versus, higher mathematics, a study plan for 8 months, right? Because right now we have approximately 8 months to cat. I'm going to give you that thing also, right? I hope you all are good to go. If you find you are good to go, please type GTG in your chat box. So this is on my right side. Can you see the score of people and the percentile of cat, right? Now, people who are good at quantitative aptitude, right, for them the objective of quant is different from those who are weak at quant. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you
Yes,
are
sir.
at quant, your objective is not to clear the cutoff. I know you will be able to clear the cutoff and get a very good percentile. People fall into this trap. What is the trap? They think getting 95 percentile is good in quant. No, if you are good in quant, like somebody said, I'm above average, your target should be to give overall higher percentile. Quant should boost your overall percentile. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, let's take example of a cricket match. So in a cricket match, if an Indian cricket team makes 300 runs, it doesn't mean everyone is scoring 30 runs, right? There has to be few players who score 50s or centuries, same way, right? Everyone is contributing, but there has to be some people who contribute more than others. See guys, if you are looking at 95 as your score, right, maybe doing average in all three sections can do, right? But if you are targeting 97, 98, 99 or plus as a score, then you must kill one section. If you are targeting 99 plus, you should clear cutoff of all three sections and you should kill two sections. What do I mean by killing a section? See, let us talk about quant. See, most of the cases, the cutoff is what? It is 90%, not more than 90% cutoff, right? For that 90, can you see the score required is 22, 23, which just means 8 questions, isn't it? Shivani, Anirudh, Dheeraj, to
Sir.
score 23 is 8 questions. 8 questions out of 26 questions is nothing. You are going to get what a percentile called 90, which is more than enough, right? So if you are a
Yes, sir.
weak student, your target should be to attempt 10 questions and get 8 right. Balle balle nacho, dance karo, right? You have done your job, right? So it essentially means if you don't know two-thirds of the question, you can very well get off with it. But if you are good at quant, your objective should be to score as high as possible. Why? Because this is going to give you boost to your overall score. Cut off to anything above 30, you are damn good at. You can feel it. Oh my God, I'm too good at quant. But you can score as high as 99.9 percentile. Now my score was 64 in quantitative aptitude, right? Last year it was 93. So 93 means what? 99.98 percentile. So cutoff is 20 marks, 30 marks, but 99 is possible, right? Here also you see 50 is possible. So this 20 score is going to give you overall percentile. So those who are good at quantitative aptitude, they should target, killing that topic by scoring two-third, not one-third. right? Can we see the three breakups? One breakup is 0 score, right? Second is your 1/3. Third is your 2/3, right? So if you are good at any particular topic, you must score 2/3 of the total score of that topic, of that subject. Is it clear? So the preparation of quant cannot be same for everyone. So many people start comparing, oh my God, I'm good at this thing. I'm already scoring 1/3 bracket, right? I need not prepare for quant. No, my dear boy, you too need to prepare for quant, and your target is different from somebody who is weak at quant. And those who are weak at quant, don't worry about 2/3 mark. Just worry about 1/3 mark. Yes? Let's now move to the next slide and try to understand. These are the topics broadly I classify as, arithmetic and advanced thing, right? Number system, percentage, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, ratio, proportion, partnership, averages, mixtures, time, work, pipe, TSD, trains, races. So in each of these topics, I can say there are, let us say, 10 or 15 subtopics, right? Sub concepts. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम. तो भाई नंबर सिस्टम में क्या है मेरा बच्चा? नंबर सिस्टम में लास्ट डिजिट है, एलसीएम एचसीएफ है, फैक्टर्स हैं, डिविजिबिलिटी रूल है, ऐसे ऐसे करके 10 से ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. आर यू गेटिंग? समझ आ रहा है भाई? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? तो ये 10 कॉन्सेप्ट आपको लेवल 1 पे मास्टर करने हैं, राइट? एवरेजेस में क्या है कि भाई हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द वेटेड एवरेज, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द चेंज ऑफ एवरेज इफ somebody is being added to average, how to calculate the replacement of the average, how to calculate the average of two different groups, right? How averages questions can be seen. So this is what we call as different concepts of average. Same way, mixture and alligation, we can have 5 type of question. Same way, time, speed and distance, basic concept is equal to speed is equal to distance upon time. But how do we have questions of train starting late, train starting early, right? So you have a concept of A moving, B following it. You have a concept of races. You have a concept of boats. You have streams. You have questions on one bus catching other. You have to and fro motion. You have escalator question. So this way, in each of the topics, you have 10 to 15 concepts. Is it clear? For example, in profit and loss, what do you have? You have, a person increasing the price and then giving a discount. You have a concept of offering one discount and then again you offer another discount. So far concepts I have made around 30-35 videos on YouTube for this first part, arithmetic. Please go through each of these videos, and this is more than enough for you to understand what all it takes to be in this topic, right? Now guys, there comes a level 2. Level 2 means application of these concepts. For example, we know when a mixture is added to mixture, there can be another mixture, right? Now, how do you change this particular stuff? You say, okay, there are different questions on this. You are, a question means the concept is being, used either alone or in association with some other concept. For example, we have a concept of mixture and alligation. We have a concept of percentage. We have a concept of profit and loss. So he creates a question by mixing these two things, right? He's giving you a question of time and work, but here you also use the concept of algebra, right? Or you use a concept of, let us say, trigonometry, where you say the person is A is moving from A to B and B to C, whereas there is another guy who is moving directly from A to C. So you are using time, speed and distance. At the same time, you are applying Pythagoras theorem. So this is what we call as layering layering of concepts, or this is what we do it in question level. Here you need to apply your concepts to get the answer of the question. But before that, you must understand कि भाई ये पूछना क्या चाहता है. Clear हो गया बेटा? Okay, so here comes the geometry, mensuration, PNC, algebra, log, series. So here, more than application, concept itself is very heavy, right? In percentage, the concept is not heavy, the application is heavy. Whereas in geometry, you just need to know what are various theorems of circle, what are various theorems of triangle, what are the various ways to calculate, volume in 2D, volume in 3D, perimeter in 2D, volume in 3D, you how to calculate the surface area, how to calculate the volume of a hollow object, how to calculate the area, surface area increase on cutting. So by concept itself, there are number of concepts. For example, in permutation combination, you have 15 odd concepts where you know try to understand. So in these topics, you must make sure that you understand what exactly the theorem is, right? Otherwise, you will not be able to solve it. For example, there is an application of Apollonius theorem. So the idea is not to apply the Apollonius theorem. Idea is just to understand what Apollonius theorem is. Idea is to understand when medians will be given, which formula is to be used. If a quadratic equation is given, what basically the concept is. If you know that, then question is not a big deal. 2018 CAT यही पंगा हुआ, अरिथमेटिक डिफिकल्ट आ गया लेयरिंग वाला, और ये वाला लोगों ने किया नहीं था, तो भैया चली गई भैंस पानी में. So, so guys, this particular thing, arithmetic advanced, I recommend students do all the topics, at least basics of all the topics and application of all the topics, right? It may happen you may get stuck at a question level. That level you can leave anything which you are finding too difficult to do. That too depends on whether you are a category 1 where your idea is to reach 1/3, or you are a category 2 where you want to reach 2/3. Clear ho gaya bacha? Next thing, first thing I have already talked about, your level. You should be knowing what is my level and what is my target, right? If you are at a weak level, please do target level 2, where you say, okay, I will crack, this thing, and I will score 2/3 of that examination, right? Now comes the timeline. Timeline is now we have 8 months with us. So if you are watching this video with 8 months, right, you should divide your time into 2 months, 2 months, 2 months, 2 months. First 2 months concepts. जो मेरा 150 वीडियो है उसमें से आई थिंक 60-65 वीडियोस क्वांट पे है, सारा वीडियो लगा देना है, एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट लिख लेना है. आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड पीपल मेक कॉन्सेप्ट बुक. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने पिछले साल बनाया, इस साल भी मैं कह रहा हूँ कि देखो लिखो रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन कॉन्सेप्ट नंबर 1, रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन कॉन्सेप्ट नंबर 2, राइट? मेक कॉन्सेप्ट्स बुक. That is first 2 months plan. Next 2 months plan, for each of the concept you must do 10 questions. For each of the topic you must do 50 questions. Overall, you should be able to do 6,000 to 7,000 questions in quant. That shall be more than enough for quantitative aptitude. Coming to the third point, which is third phase, where you are having 2 months. First 1 month for sectional test. You spend 40 minutes or 60 minutes, whatsoever is the timing for the sectional test. Try to maximize your score. Try to score as much as possible, right? Without bothering about overall section. अभी लोगों का यार कैट क्यों बर्बाद हुआ पता है इस बार? क्योंकि DILR मुश्किल आया था, right? Let's take these two things independent of each other, right? And definitely third and the fourth phase is about solving your as many mocks as possible, but not before completing first 2 phases, right? Mocks जितने देंगे उतना अच्छा होगा. और mocks में score versus percentile की गेम को याद रखना, टेंशन नहीं ले, जस्ट अपना धीरे 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 स्कोर करना है और इजी क्वेश्चन ढूंढने की कोशिश करनी है, राइट? नाउ देन लास्ट कम्स इज बेटा जी स्टेजेस. स्टेजेस क्या है? जब आप तैयारी करते हैं ना, तो गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप बाय स्टेप बाय स्टेप. डोंट स्टार्ट विद मॉक्स, डोंट स्टार्ट विद प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक लेवल क्वेश्चंस. वंस यू आर डन विद इट, you are having a confidence, yes, I can teach ratio proportion to anybody, right? So it means your ratio proportion level 1 is covered. Now you go to second level. There you see you face 50 questions, you may be able to solve only 30, right? Then you see rest of the 20 questions I have to practice and see what was the problem. Were you not able to understand the concept? Were you doing a silly mistake, or you were just getting everything wrong, right? So these are the different stages. Once you cross that stage, you say, okay, this topic is done. You give me 50 questions of this topic. I'm going to do 45 questions of level 1. I'm going to do 30 questions of level 2. It means you have crossed that stage 2. हम गेम नहीं खेलते हैं, मारियो खेलते हैं, कोई भी गेम, उसमें स्टेजेस आती है ना. So once you play it number of times, then you say, ठीक है यार, थर्ड स्टेज तक तो मैं बड़े आराम से पहुंच जाता हूँ, अब मेरे को फोर्थ स्टेज. So if you directly start with fourth stage, it will cause problem to you. So stage by stage you shall be progressing, and if you are not progressing, please talk to your mentor, please talk to your teacher कि sir, I am getting stuck here. वो आपका मॉक देखेंगे, वो आपका प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट देखेंगे, वो आपसे बात करेंगे, एंड ही विल बी एबल टू टेल, ही और शी विल बी एबल टू टेल यू कि आप अटक कहाँ रहे हैं, राइट? कई बार क्या होता है ना, हम अननेसेसरली किसी चीज पे बहुत ज्यादा दुखी हो चुके होते हैं, अननेसेसरली हम उसको अननेसेसरली टाइम दे रहे होते हैं, और हम ऐसा मटेरियल कर रहे होते हैं जो कैट में आता ही नहीं है। बहुत सारे मार्केट में ऐसे क्वेश्चन घूमते हैं जिनका मकसद सिर्फ यही होता है कि बंदों को टेंशन लेने का नहीं, टेंशन देने का है, राइट? वो खुद भी नहीं किसी ने सॉल्व किए हुए, जस्ट फैला दिया मार्केट में, करो बेटा सॉल्व। अरे भाई, कैट के लेवल का भी है वो, कैट में आया भी है वो, और कैट में 1/3 क्वेश्चन तो उनको भी छोड़ने जिनको सेक्शन किल करना है। नहीं समझे? मैं कह रहा हूं जो बंदा हाईएस्ट 99.9 लेके आएगा वो भी 1/3 सेक्शन क्वेश्चन छोड़ेगा मेरा बच्चा। वो क्वेश्चन करने के नहीं, वो सिर्फ देखने के होते हैं, राइट? जैसे बहुत सारे फीचर आते हैं ना आपके मोबाइल में, सारे थोड़ी यूज करते हो, काफी फीचर फालतू सिर्फ देखने के होते हैं, उनका कोई पर्पस नहीं होता है, बस वो दिखाने के लिए है, राइट? बट दे हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड what is important, what is not important. Otherwise, you will not be able to select good managers. Through this process, we are able to select कि किस बंदे को ये select करने की समझ है या नहीं समझ है. Right, guys? Let us go to the next part. Right? So this I have talked about fundamentals, high level, trick questions, layer questions. So when you are on a stage 2, don't talk about layered question. First do high level questions. High level question means the same question with complexity, whereas a layered question means question of permutation combination with a tadka of geometry. That is a layered question. Trick question means the concept is hidden. You are not shown the concept directly. आपको निकालना पड़ा, अरे यार इस पे तो ये लगने वाला है, right? These are the three different things. High level question is means I am putting complexity to the question. क्वेश्चन करना मुश्किल हो रहा है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज्यादा कुछ डाल दिया मैंने, क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा डाल दिया, 5 कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ रही है. दैट इज ए हाई लेवल क्वेश्चन. व्हेन आई से ट्रिक लेवल क्वेश्चन, मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट हाइड कर दिया है, राइट? यू आर नॉट एबल टू फिगर इट आउट कि यार करना क्या है इसमें. वेयर एज ए लेयर्ड क्वेश्चन मीन्स मैंने यार क्वेश्चन तो मेरा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का है बट मैंने उस पर लेयर चढ़ा दिया रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन की, या क्वेश्चन रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन का है उसको डाल दिया परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन के अंदर, राइट? तो दैट इज ए लेयर्ड क्वेश्चन. Then previous year question is the best benchmark to know what should be the level of questions. ठीक है? पिछले साल के 10 क्वेश्चन करके देख लो भाई, समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. अगर समझ में आना शुरू हो गया, 10 में से 8 क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं, 10 में से 6 क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं, 2/3 क्वेश्चन आपके बनने शुरू हो गए पिछले प्रीवियस ईयर, इट मींस यू आर रेडी फॉर कैट, राइट? डोंट ट्राई टू सॉल्व कि भाई मैं अगर पिछले साल 20 क्वेश्चन आया मैं 20 के 20 सॉल्व करूंगा. नहीं होते हैं. और कुछ मैंने बोला नोटोरियस क्वेश्चन है, वो उनका पर्पस ही भैया आपको परेशान करना है. तो आपका पर्पस उनसे परेशान ना होना है, ठीक है ना? क्रिकेट खेलते हैं ना, कुछ बाउंसर्स आती है ना, तो बाउंसर बॉलर की ईगो पे नहीं जाना होता, हमने अपनी ईगो पे नहीं जाना होता, बैट्स उसको छोड़ देना होता है, राइट? क्योंकि पंगा लोगे तो आउट हो जाओगे, ठीक है? क्योंकि उसका पर्पस ही यही है, ठीक है? उसका पर्पस आपको परेशान करना है, वो आपको ट्रिगर कर रहा है कि भाई इन्वोक कर रहा है, वो आपको प्रोवोक कर रहा है, वो आपको, राइट? कि तुम पर पंगा लो मेरे से. और डीआईएलआर में तो ये बहुत ज्यादा होता है, लोग एक ही सेट लेके बैठ जाते हैं. कैट में भी होता है, 5 क्वेश्चन लेके बैठ जाते हैं ईगो पे, मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, मैंने इतना सॉल्व किया, मैंने 4 बुक लगाई. अरे भैया 4 बुक लगाई है तो क्या हो गया, तुम ये थोड़ी है कि तुम सब क्वेश्चन करोगे, राइट? अब सचिन भी हर बॉल पे चौका थोड़ी मारता है, या विराट कोहली भी, ठीक है वो हर मैच में स्कोर करता है, बट इट डजंट मीन ही स्कोर्स सेंचुरी in every match, right? I hope I am clear till this point. Now let us see this question to understand this thing. अब ये आधे लोगों की तो सिट्टी पिट्टी कुल हो जाती है ये देख के कि यार पता नहीं यार ये क्वेश्चन क्या होगा. ये कैट का एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. द नंबर ऑफ इंटीजर दैट सेटिस्फाई दिस इक्वेशन इज दिस, राइट? अब आपको पता चल रहा है कि ये जो इक्वेशन है, किसी भी चीज की पावर अगर 0 कर देते हैं तो वो 1 हो जाता है. पता है या नहीं पता? ये तो सबको पता होगा, बेसिक अरिथमेटिक. 5 की पावर 0 कर किसी भी एनीथिंग पावर 0 विल गिव यू 1. तो एक सोल्यूशन तो ये हो गया भैया, हो गया नहीं हो गया, कि x अगर x + 1 अगर 0 हो जाएगा तो आंसर आ जाएगा मेरा. तो x = -1 आ गया. बोलो. अब ये एक ही केस में पॉसिबल नहीं होता. किस केस में पॉसिबल नहीं होता? जब हमारा बेस में ही 0 हो, क्योंकि 0 की पावर कुछ भी कर दो ये 0 बनेगा, 1 नहीं बनेगा, राइट? एनीथिंग टू पावर 0 इज इक्वल टू 1, दिस वी नो, ये 8वीं क्लास के बच्चे को भी पता है, राइट? सो भैया x इज इक्वल टू -1 इज ए सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस, राइट? हम x -1 यहां पुट करके देखते हैं कि भाई 0 तो नहीं आ रहा, मेरा नहीं आ रहा, तो ये एक आंसर हो गया, ठीक हो गया। दूसरा पार्ट, 1 का बनता है 1 रेज टू पावर एनीथिंग इज इक्वल टू 1। बोलो बोलो मेरा बच्चा, ये मैं उनके लिए करा रहा हूं जो डरते हैं क्वांट से। ये तो आता है 8वीं क्लास के बच्चे को आता है 1 की पावर एनीथिंग इज इक्वल टू 1। अब हाउ दिस कैन बी 1, ये 1 कैसे हो सकता है? तो इसको हमने कर दिया x स्क्वायर -5x प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू 1। भैया जब ये 1 हो गया तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? x की वैल्यू 2 आ गई, 2 और 3। सिंपल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सॉल्व करनी है। चलो मैं एक स्टेप कर ही देता हूं, नहीं तो डर जाओगे आप। x स्क्वायर -5x राइट प्लस 6, ठीक हो गया। ये इक्वेशन बन गई ना, 1 को इधर ले आए इज इक्वल टू 0। अब ये तो यार 9वीं क्लास का बच्चा सॉल्व कर लेता है ये इक्वेशन, तो 2 और 3 फैक्टर बनेंगे, बोलो हाँ या ना?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो एक ये सोल्यूशन हो गया, एक ये सोल्यूशन हो गया, एक ये सोल्यूशन हो गया, 3 सोल्यूशन हो गए, आंसर आ गया। कैट का अलजेब्रा का क्वेश्चन हो गया भाई, राइट? 8वीं और 9वीं क्लास के ऊपर कुछ नहीं लगा है, राइट? अब लोग क्या करते हैं, सर अलजेब्रा से तो डर लगता है, अलजेब्रा से तो डरता है भाई, दिल डरता है अलजेब्रा से। तो डरना नहीं है, काम करना, ठीक है? भी आपके जो कोई डाउट्स हैं, जो कोई क्वेश्चन है, वो पूछ सकते हैं। मेरी तरफ से इतना ही था। तो कैट को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए क्वांट से बिल्कुल नहीं डरना है, क्वेश्चन करने। और जो मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है मिशन कैट, उसके ऊपर अगर आप वीडियो लेक्चर्स नहीं लगाए तो लगा लीजिए, क्योंकि उस पर सारे कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज वीडियो लेक्चर्स लगे हुए हैं। और अप्रैल में हमारा ये शुरू भी हो जाएगा, नया नेक्स्ट राउंड वाला शुरू हो जाएगा, जिसमें मैं आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट न्यू लेक्चर्स। इतना कैट का कंटेंट आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? और लेक्चर्स देख के ये जरूर बताइएगा कि लेक्चर कैसे लगे आपको, राइट? जितने भी वीडियो लेक्चर्स हैं, आई डोंट कॉल देम वीडियोस, आई कॉल देम वीडियो लेक्चर्स, बिकॉज ईच वन ऑफ देम इज 60 to 90 मिनट्स थिंग। वो पूरा पूरा लेक्चर है भैया मेरे। और उसके बाद ऐप पे जाके आप अपना क्या कहते हैं बैच ज्वाइन करो और उसमें प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस करो। वो सारी चीज में आपको उस वीडियो में आपको पता चल जाएंगी कि कैसे कैसे करना है, ठीक है? नाउ योर क्वेश्चन बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, you can switch on your video and ask your questions.
So as you have said, to clear our fundamentals and concept in first 2 months.
Yeah.
And sir, from where and how to clear those? Like sir, you for example, you have uploaded video on ratio and proportion, and it has 4 videos overall.
Yeah,
So do
right.
we need to watch all 4 videos and
Yes. all 4 videos? That's how I have divided it. Has took me entire corona period to create those videos, right? And I have explained it specifically keeping those people in mind जो कहते हैं भाई क्वांट से हमें डर लगता है, right? और पिछले साल so many people have, you will see it in comments, have said that कि सर हमारा क्वांट बहुत बुरे हाल में था, आपकी वीडियो देखिए 95 आ गया, 97 आ गया, ये आ गया, वो आ गया। Anybody who has seen video, एक चीज मैं श्योरिटी के साथ कहता हूँ, वीडियो लेक्चर जिसने देखे हैं, कि उसका क्वांट का डर छू मंतर हो गया है।
Okay, right? So just like I have watched your, suppose that I have watched your first video of ratio and proportion. So what is our next step before watching the second video?
You have to practice the questions from app. There are questions given in the app to practice.
And I have material from, and I have time material, sir. And I have time materials too.
Material, you do it after completing the 4 videos, not before that. Because usually what happens is, let us take any topic. What people do is, in very first exercise, they put the concept that is being, very difficult. So there is no segregation on the topics which should be done. So in videos, what I have done is I have made them structured way. Okay, this is first video, this is second lecture, this is third lecture, this is fourth lecture. All 4 lectures completes ratio and proportion.
Yes, now, so that's totally right. So, yeah, but after completing,
there may be some problematic question of ratio proportion with the application of mixture and alligation. So which, when you go to any material, you will say, sir, I'm not able to solve this from that material, because that person has not segregated it. See, somebody who is very good at mathematics, he can do it without even, watching the video, because he is good at mathematics. He can, just solve it like that. But somebody who is not good at it, he gets confused. Okay, sir, मैं ये करूँ वो. First, watch all the videos of ratio, proportion, mixture, alligation, and then try to solve other material, right? And the more
Okay, sir.
practice you do, more understanding you will develop. And whenever you face any difficulty, go back to the video. Yeah. Next.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes, sir. One more thing I need to ask.
Yes, beta.
Sir, as I watched your first video of ratio and proportion, and after watching, I directly moved to the app, Ration Cat app, to find out the practice sets, but I was not able to find anyone from ratio and proportion. I was a bit confused because there were lots of them.
Yeah, so there were so many tests. So there you have to find it with the code. The code shall be given there.
Okay, so what's the code?
For each class, you type in ratio proportion. There you will be able to get the code, right? Ratio proportion. So you can just search for the test also. But I am making another video on how to actually use the videos, right? So that video I will be publishing very soon, where I will be telling how you can use my videos and what are all videos available. Abhi thoda wo videos, they were just delivered as I took lectures, but now I will try to make appropriate playlists so that you can do. Already Quant ka playlist bana hua hai, right? Yeah. Next question. Ishika, Anirudh, Mohammed, जो भी लोग live हैं, they can ask any question, or you can ask your question by putting it in the chat box also. Tanmay Sinha says, student, can you please give small brief as I'm quite late? Yeah, you can watch this video. This will be available on YouTube also, so there you can see. Anirudh says, how to increase speed in solving? I would say, in CAT, please don't bother about speed. Get your concepts right. Get application of concepts right, speed will automatically come, right? Once you start going, then going becomes great, right? Don't bother about making going great, right? Speed अपने आप आ जाएगी यार. जब क्वेश्चन निकल गए ना तुम्हारे हाथों से, तो आंखों आंखों में देखोगे. जब बच्चा साइकिल चलाना सीखता है ना, तो आइडिया इज नॉट कि वो तेज चला सकता है या धीरे चला सकता है. He need to just learn how to balance. Once it is done on balance, then he can learn, how to really make it fast, how to bend. वो second level की third level की बातें हैं. Shruti Gupta says, sir, I have lots of material. हाँ, ये बहुत बड़ा पंगा है. लोग इतना सारा material इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं, right? I have Sarvesh Verma time, Arun Sharma, and with this many material, I'm confused. Yes, this is what will happen. And always demotivate. I'm not able to complete the material. So also it is good to follow one. यही है. एक को पकड़ो, एक के पल्ले पड़ जाओ, और बस उसको बोलो, सर अब हम तुम्हारो जैसो मैसो तुम्हारो, right? And that person will help you give to that much, right? हमारे टाइम पे आजकल ई मटेरियल आता है, ठीक है? हमारे टाइम पे ना एक दिल्ली में एक सड़क है, नई सड़क है, पुरानी सड़क, पता नहीं ठंडी सड़क, कौन सी सड़क है, वहां पे वो मटेरियल मिलता होता था. तो लोग क्या करते थे, 5-5, 6-6 इंस्टीट्यूट का मटेरियल इकट्ठा कर लेते थे. And they used to think that if you have more material, you will be able to cover more. Any good study material is more than enough to clarify your concepts. And when you do mocks, आपको पता चल जाता है कि क्या लेवल. Unnecessarily difficult level करने से कुछ नहीं बनेगा, और सिर्फ basics clear करते रहने से कुछ नहीं बनेगा. So you have to develop in stages. And unfortunately, I said you, there are very few materials which give you structured, content. They all are haphazard, right? Which material you suggest? You follow my YouTube thing, and then my book and all are in print. You will get very soon. चल रहा है उसका printing चल रहा है. So I will suggest my own material that I will be creating. But for now, you can buy any book. All are good enough, right? But उससे ईगो पे नहीं लेना, दिल पे नहीं लगाना बेटा, कि भाई अगर 2 क्वेश्चन नहीं निकल रहे छोड़ दो यार उनको. 1/3 तो वैसे ही छोड़ दिया करो, right? किसी भी मटेरियल के solve 2/3 of the question, good enough. Right. So guys, you can come live and ask questions. Yeah. बाकी कोई भी मटेरियल ले लो, उसमें ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ऑल मटेरियल्स आर गुड, राइट? बट बेस्ट मटेरियल अभी आना बाकी है. video on Vedic maths and its application, no doubt I will, Vedic maths is important, but as far as CAT is concerned, Vedic maths only supplements in your speed, right? So Vedic maths is not something you can quickly get a question in your CAT examination, but yes, understanding Vedic maths helps you in two ways. It tries increasing your speed, at the same time it gives you confidence. But Vedic maths is not what comes in CAT, right? It may be, it may be useful for your what we say snap, for other छोटा एग्जामिनेशन. कैट तो तोड़ के क्वेश्चन देता है यार, अंदर तक घुस जाता है कैट कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट के, वो आता है तो कुछ बढ़िया. और उसको ना, जैसे मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन कराया, आपने देखा ना वो लेयर क्वेश्चन, वो क्वेश्चन देखने में डर लग रहा था पर क्वेश्चन कुछ भी नहीं था. बट यस, यू शुड बी नोइंग इट थॉरोली. धीरज मनेर सर, यू आर गॉड ऑफ शॉर्ट. अरे थैंक यू, इतना इतना बड़ा पदवी मत दो यार. आई ट्राई doing something for my students, and that's this thing. What should be the ideal time to complete the syllabus? I told you beta, 2 months for concepts, 2 months for application, 2 months for mocks, and next 2 months for higher level, level 3. Level 3 ke liye you must watch my CAT shows. CAT show with Sogo, all 3 seasons, right? Yes, DILR और VARC पे भी sessions होंगे. Those will be Zoom sessions. Please do join Zoom sessions and keep following the channel for update when that session is going to be held. Right? I hope you all guys, you all enjoyed. And those who want to be part of our SOGO 100, you can be part of that. The registration link is given below. And last few seats are left now, because every year I take only 100 students. And this year SOGO 100 is going to be very special, because SOGO 100 has a very high percentage of result. 2018 we got around 30 people getting into top B schools, and next year it was 40. This 2020 we are expecting 50 plus to get top B schools, and God knows 2021 we may have all 100 getting into top B schools, right? Because progress ही तो life का नाम है, right? And we already have 75% of the batch which is full. Just last 20-25 seats are left. So hurry if you really want to be part of SOGO 100. And I hope this session was useful, and you will enjoy being part of our YouTube journey also. And I'm going to start, once we are closing this batch, the YouTube sessions will also be there. So guys, you can be part of our Telegram link. वो उस पे join करो, उसमें भी बहुत कुछ आता रहेगा. Because last year was my first year online, and this year is going to be second and a better year online. But last year भी काफी कुछ दे दिया मैंने आपको. I hope that was beneficial and shall be beneficial in future too. God bless you. Shabba khair. Good night. आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है, पूछ सकते हो फटाफट.
Sir, hello sir.
Yeah, quick.
Sir, last time CAT 2 hours का था, right?
इस बार 3 घंटे का भी हो सकता है, 2 घंटे का भी हो सकता है. इन चीजों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
अच्छा.
सब कहानियां हैं, कितने क्वेश्चन आएंगे, क्या आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा. आप मेरा वीडियो देखो जो मैंने CAT से पहले डाला था. प्लीज डोंट गो टू CAT विद एनी प्री कंसीव्ड नोशन. चाहे वो 20 हो, चाहे क्रिकेट मैच हो, चाहे ऑस्ट्रेलिया की पिच हो, चाहे इंडिया की पिच हो, आपका पर्पस एक ही होता है, मैक्सिमम रन स्कोर करना, बचा के रखना, राइट? ये सब कहानियां हैं कि भाई पिच के कारण हार गए, इसके कारण हार गए, ये हो गया, वो बात की कहानी है. जिसका क्लियर हो जाता है वो गुनगाता है, मैंने ये किया, मैंने यो किया, आई डिड दिस स्ट्रेटजी एंड यो मैन, राइट? और जिसका हो जाता है वो मतलब एग्जाम में, कोरोना में, माँ बाप में, CAT में, अपने टीचर में, स्टडी मटेरियल में, मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज में दोष निकालता है या अपने आप में दोष निकालता है. और जिसका हो जाता है वो उसके सब, है ना, पंजाबी सर ने कहते भाई, कहते ਜਿਹਦੇ ਘਰ ਦਾਣੇ ਉਹਦੇ कमले भी सियाने, राइट? मतलब राइट, अगर आप पंजाबी जानते हैं तो ये कहता है कि भाई जिसके घर है कुछ है, उसके गलत चीज भी सही होती है उसकी. तो अगर आपका CAT का स्कोर आ गया तो आपकी सब स्ट्रेटजीज बढ़िया थी, राइट? मेरे साथ हुआ है यार इस बार. मेरे बहुत बच्चे हैं जिनका मतलब प्रिपरेशन बहुत गजब था, टेस्ट में लुटक गए, नहीं झेल पाए प्रेशर उस दिन का. सचिन भी तो हो जाता है आउट. ठीक हो गया जी. Okay, bye bye guys. God bless you all.